Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, just a quick update here what Ethereum is doing. Obviously a bit of a recovery today, nothing too crazy and no reason to become too bullish and no reason to FOMO anyway. Obviously after we moved down out of this triangle here, which was a wave 4, we have entered as expected wave 5. And now the only question that I really have, that everybody is sort of asking themselves is this already the turnaround space or do we go lower? After we hit here my target level of $880 roughly, came very, very close and bounced off it. But is this already the turnaround? Now, I can't rule it out, but I currently don't see it. I don't see it, and the reason for that is that if we zoom in, I have a problem to count this as a completed 5-wave move to the downside. And therefore, there's a few options I've got here. I can just count this as, there's a few ways of doing this. I could just count this as an ending diagonal. In this wave 5, I could just count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly even, just think, we could even do that. Wave 4 up here, wave 5 started, and in this wave 5 we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's also an option, absolutely. Which is then creating here the form of an ending diagonal, basically a descending wedge, you could argue, which then would mean we'll have one more wave down, and that could really be it. Because I had a problem to otherwise just count it. And this seems to, for me, the most likely option, given that I can't just count 5 waves. In a normal impulse, a diagonal is a motive wave, meaning it goes into the direction of the higher level trend, which is in this case still down. But I can't count a normal impulse because the wave 4 would have cut into the wave 1 price range, irrespective of if the wave 1 was here or here. Doesn't matter. So from that point of view, this is currently, for me, a very likely option, especially as we are sort of, we bounced off this resistance level at $1,075, which now seems to be creating here this descending trend line. Yeah, you can see that. And this descending trend line together forming a descending wedge pattern or an ending diagonal. Ending diagonal quite likely actually because it means we are sort of at the end, in the 5th wave, an ending diagonal, which means, sort of we could really have now in this 5th wave a 3-wave move down. That is what you would normally get in a diagonal pattern, a 3-wave move down, A, B, C, a 3-wave move down. Let's see if that's going to happen. And again, that would need to go lower ideally than the wave 3, so ideally below $883. And one target I gave you for that 5th wave was here $770. Let's see if we actually if we get there. I might need to change it now. Let's see. Take the wave 1 length, add it to the wave 4 high. Yeah, that has changed now. So 830 is also a target. 830, because the wave 5 target often is the length of the wave 1, and that would be at 830. Okay, so let's see. That's definitely a target I would observe very closely on the way down. Bear in mind, we have not even broken back above the $1,075 level. So looking at it, as long as we are below the wave 4 high that you can see up there in blue, which is sort of the wave 2 high here in yellow and the wave 4 in blue, 1255, 1254, 1255. As long as we are below that level, the focus is still down. I would expect primarily another move down, not guaranteed though. And if we break through this wedge to the upside or break above 1075, I think the next target would be 1254 because it is the next major resistance level. And that is currently how I see here the Ethereum chart. Don't really want to make a super long video, but this is what makes sense to me. This would also make sense from a wave count point of view because we are sort of in this late stage here of the overall correction. And again, worst case for me remains here that 88.7% fib level at $618. That is the 88.7% Fib level, the last major Fib level on the Fib scale. And also here at the latest, the price should turn around. That is my view at the moment. So at the moment, there is no reason to FOMO for me. And anybody who wants to trade the breakout, that's of course up to you. We have a nice trade setup here going above that resistance level at 10.75 with ideally a retest would, in my opinion, lead to a price increase to 12.54. Yeah, always use a stop loss, especially in the current environment, I think, unless you are happy to accept that prices could still drop lower. Yeah, and that is my view about Ethereum. So hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.